Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie, and welcome to day 7 of me knitting on this Ava cardigan. It is currently 2:30 p.m., so, you know, a little later start. Kind of as usual at this point, but I have work to do, so now that I'm done, I can get into my knitting. I kind of want to just knit for the rest of the day. I don't have to edit anything. I edited all 8 videos, scheduled them, edited thumbnails. They are ready to just post, okay? So I have a few days break without having to edit anything until I finish this cardigan. And once I finish this cardigan, I'm gonna edit all of the videos that are left, edit the time-lapse montage, and then start on my next project. So this is my goal today. Finish the body. I have 10 more rows, okay? Finish the body. Start and finish a sleeve because I want to knit an entire sleeve tomorrow, and so I can knit the button band the next day and finish. I think I can get that done. I'm going to just watch some, I think I'm gonna watch Rebecca de Carabea. I'm gonna watch her podcast. I've been trying to catch up, okay? I'm about 3 weeks behind. Is that, oh, that's Joey. Hey Joey.
Sorry.
That's okay. I'm about 3 weeks behind watching her videos, so I'm just going to catch up so that I can catch up to her doing the Kintra. I think that's what it's called, Kintra sweater. I'm so excited for it. And then I will watch some Criminal Minds. So let's get started. Oh my gosh, wait, let's not get started yet. Look at this. I've had this for like a year now, I think. I don't know, but this is TL Yarncraft Tony's merch. And it says Granny in Training with a bunch of granny squares like, you ate. Tony does not watch my videos. I don't know why I'm saying you ate like she's gonna see this. She ate, okay? Anyway, a little update on the yarn situation. I think I showed last night, but just wanted to show again. We still have a good bit of yarn left. So this will definitely finish the body and half a sleeve, a quarter of a sleeve, we'll see. Anyway. Let's get to knitting! Alright guys, a little update. I made it to 9 centimeters, time to bind up! Sleeve time, guys. Okay, the body is done, bound off. I cannot wait to block it because then I'll get the true width of it. But I'm doing a sleeve. It's currently 7:59 p.m. so basically 8 o'clock. So now I'm just gonna sit back, watch Criminal Minds. I just finished watching the Celtics game. Go Celtics! And then I started watching the Lakers game, but I feel like watching Criminal Minds. And I wanted to see Bronny and LeBron play together, but listen, I'll just watch a highlight or something. So, yeah. Criminal Minds, I'm coming for you. I'm on season 3, episode 11. Hello guys, it is currently midnight. I'm staying up a little bit with my sisters because we all want to finish our projects in 2 days from now. And so for me, I'm about halfway through my sleeve, I'd say. Oh, ooh, that's some good progress. Okay. Yeah, I'm about halfway through the sleeve. Maybe more than halfway. Let me measure it. I have 2 more decreases. I'm like 4 rounds away from one of the decreases. So I have that one, and then one more decrease before I'm finished with the decreases for the sleeve. And the sleeve is supposed to be 30 centimeters measured from the underarm, and it is currently 21, basically 22 centimeters right now. So I think maybe the decreases will make the length of 30 centimeters, or like just at the length if it's 22 centimeters right now, which is actually really good. This is it on my arm. So yeah, I'm about halfway through the sleeve. I'm gonna get through those decreases. My goal is to get through the decreases and finish the sleeve before the ribbing. And then tomorrow, while I do a commute to work, I will be working on the ribbing. So that is the plan for now, because I'm not trying to go to bed too late. When I say staying up to me means 12 to 1 a.m. and then, like, you know, that's it. But I might stay up a little longer for this sleeve, depending on how long it takes me, because I'm going to finish the sleeve before the ribbing 100%, because I think I can get through the ribbing in the morning, and by the time afternoon rolls around, I can start on the second sleeve and finish the second sleeve. So that's the plan. I don't want to think about the amount of stitches that I'll need to pick up for this button band. Actually, let's think about it, because I need to think about how long it's gonna take me, you know, because I'm trying to start the Korshavn sweater on Friday, which means Thursday needs to be the last day I'm working on this. So let's see. I'm gonna finish the sleeves before the ribbing, because no matter how late it is, I like to get my little reading in, even though I fall asleep reading every night. I like to get my little reading in before I go to sleep. So I'm going to finish the sleeve before the ribbing and come back and update you guys on how that went. It's basically 12:30 right now. So let's get to knitting. Nope, not doing it. Sorry, I keep adjusting that. Not doing it. Nope. You know how I said I was gonna stay up to finish this before the ribbing? No. I just finished the last I have to do about 5 decrease rounds. I've done 4. I'm on the last section, on the way to doing the last decrease. It's 1:07 a.m. I'm done. I am tired, okay? And at the end of the day, whenever this finishes is whenever it finishes. Okay, I may have a goal, but that goal is just to be determined by me, okay? And if I feel like actually meeting that goal, I am ready to put on my pajamas and read in bed a little bit and go to sleep, okay? Reading, man, my Kindle's probably gonna watch me sleep. That's how tired I am. And but this is what I got done. So today I finished binding off the body, which I didn't really even show you guys, to be honest. Here it is. I bound off the body. I just do the regular bind off in pattern bind off, because Italian bind off can suck it, like psych, like Sean and Gus says. But here's the sleeve. Yay. Oh my gosh. I'm so tired. I'm going to finish the sleeve tomorrow, start on the next sleeve tomorrow. Wait, today, I guess, because it's 1 a.m. I'm going to finish the sleeve today, start on the next sleeve today, and try to finish that as well, because this was doable. I just started late, so, you know, when I start late, I progressively, is that the right word, knit slower. Also, yarn check. Bro, this is all that I have left of the yarn. This is barely making it to the ribbing. So I'm gonna wind up one skein tomorrow morning before I leave. And I'm just going to pull from the outside and the inside of this. I'm not going to wind up another skein because I'm not sure I will need another skein. So far I'm on the 4. So I used 2 full skeins and I'm about to use 2 more full skeins, and I'm going to use this. Oh. I will probably need to wind up another one for the button band. But you know what? We will get to that, alright? I'm gonna wind this up and that's it. Tomorrow. I'm gonna leave it on my desk so I can remember. But that's all that I have for this video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.